So I got inspired by Kwesi Arthurs. Pray for me. It's not about my persona. However, I promise on my honor to tell a friend it's all about Jesus. See, this is no altar call. It's a home run. Hit the ball. Hang on. It's your call. Walk the talk. Shall it take a talk? We may be small, but tugboats. Let's pull them all to the shore. Hey, don't stifle. God's a rifle. It's a full metal jacket. We need thy prayers, O loved ones. This time, I will go. Rich child, reach out. The kingdom of God is at hand. This is our chance to stretch our hands to colors, cultures, and our communities. Reach out in any way possible. Mask on. And if you can shout, just say a prayer. Global Youth Day. It's another week to pray. Pray for me. Pray for the church. And pray for God.
I know if you do this on my own. Pray for me. I know if you do this on my own. Pray for me. Pray for me. I know if you do this on my own.